So guys, welcome back to Ivaintures. Today I'm flying out to Asia, and I'm in San Francisco. I just flew this morning from Washington DC, and I'm on my way now to Korea. It's the holidays, so the airports were kind of busy this morning. This is actually my first time at this airport here in San Francisco. It's very nice and pristine. So I'm excited. It's gonna be a long trip. This is actually gonna be the longest trip I've ever taken in my life. 14 hours straight from San Francisco airport. And it's cold in DC and it's cold in Korea. They said I read this morning a quote that was saying there's no such thing as bad weather but sensitive people. So I don't know what that means when it comes to the actual temperatures in Korea and me. Is it bad or is that me being sensitive? We'll see, we'll find out. Had some miles and I figured let me go ahead and instead of staying home and look at a Christmas tree, let me go out somewhere and see something new. This is my third time in Asia, third time. Last time I did Thailand, I did Vietnam, and I did Singapore. So this time I'm actually going to be doing 3 new countries. Let's go to Korea. Cafe. So apparently you order what you want, and then this magnificent robot makes it for you. Picks up small, medium, or large, and makes you drink. Wow, that is really cool. That is really cool. So they take your picture before you board in, and they make sure your passport is signed, which is very interesting. And I have to wear a mask for this flight for 14 hours because masks are still required in Korea indoors. So that's going to be fun. So I'm 7-8 today, so let's go ahead and drop off all that stuff. So guys, here we are. We all boarded up here on this flight. Nice pillow, that's helpful. A softer pillow if you need that, because the other one is a little bit, harder, has a little bit more cushion. And let's see. These are all your toiletries. You have soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, things like that, a pen. You won't believe how helpful this is. You get to some countries, you need to freaking sign papers, so it's good to have a pen. Eye cover. Eye cover. And so they also, I switched my mask. And I want to show you something. One of the most important purchases I've made is this thing. So if you have to wear a mask for a long time, I strongly recommend. I got this from Amazon, maybe $3. And then they give us some flip-flops. And yeah, you have all your charging things right here, which is nice. Light, and then you have storage with a bottle of water in there and stuff. Headphones. So yeah, I should be all right. So guys, this is gonna be the longest flight of my life. I've been to Asia before, but I flew from Europe to go into Thailand, and I did Singapore and Vietnam. I went into the jungles where they had the residue from the Vietnam War. It was a heck of an experience. Because of the pandemic, I haven't gone back in 2 years. So I'm very excited to go back to Asia, first time in Korea. It's gonna be a long flight. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned, let's go on this adventure. put it on, and then you eat, and you drink, and you can take it off. When you're not doing that, then you have to put it back on. What's the point? Anyways, it's now lunchtime or dinner, I don't know, but it's time to eat. So I wanted to show you guys what they have here. So I have salad, piece of bread, my pinot noir, and then beef. All right, and I'm wearing the United Airlines issued shirt. Red wine gets me tired, so this is basically how I'm trying to handle the long flight. 14 hours, man. Whoa, I've never flown that long. That's a long time. So anyways, guys, I'm about to eat right now. And from United Flight to Seoul, thank you for watching. Guys, this flight does not want to end. It doesn't want to end. I don't know how long we've been flying for, but I keep sleeping, waking up. I'm so tired. Oh, guys. So anyways, I'm going back to bed. Just wanted to report to you guys that I'm still flying. And so far, nothing has changed. I'm still on the plane. Oh. Guys, breakfast time. I've had at this point breakfast, lunch, dinner, another breakfast. I just woke up and I don't know how far we are from the airport. I'd rather not check because it would stress me out. But yeah, so I have orange juice, yogurt, croissant, some fruits, and this. It's a long flight. 14 hours from San Francisco. It's not a joke. So, just reporting back to you guys. This is my longest flight ever. And you know what's funny? So everybody got their own individual things in here, but somebody, and then this is my phone, and somebody plugged this in here. I don't even know whose phone this is. It's kind of rude, you know what I'm saying? This is just like plugged in here. I don't know whose phone that is. I'll let you know in the next video if the person comes and I'll be like, what's up, man? I mean, anyways, cheers, guys. So guys, they gave us an arrival form to fill out. Then you have a customs form to fill out. And there's a queue code that you're supposed to complete before you come here. But they give it to me anyway in case the one I filled out did not work. And I still don't know who left their phones on here. It remains a mystery. Hopefully I find that soon. We are finally about to arrive. 14 hours, guys. Oh. They had a snowstorm, it seems like. They said today is the coldest day of the season. That's great. So I'm arriving just at the right time. Safely made it to Korea. Thank you. Thank you. So here we are in South Korea. My ears are clogged. I'm jet lagged, and I can feel this temperature. Man, it's freezing. Oof. It is really, really cold. So here we are, heading to immigration, and then my bag.
Very excited.
Go from there.
Hello, Korea. Hello.
Alright. We are in this beautiful airport here. Man, I hope the sound is gonna be good on this video because my ears are completely clogged. So guys, you see this yellow machine? It says Q code. You have to have that in order to cross immigration. You have to have that Q code. So I'm actually gonna put the link below in the description for you guys, for anybody who's thinking about coming to Korea. See, there's a lot of people filling them out right here because they need that in order to register. If you don't have it, you cannot cross. Don't have it, you cannot cross. So I just crossed. They just did a visual inspection, didn't actually scan it. That's the code. And this is basically for the quarantine system. So if they decide to, you know, quarantine, they can tell you where they know where you are and where you're supposed to be, and they have your information as well, and you will know right away if you're supposed to stay in your hotel or not. But right now they're easing up the COVID restrictions, so things are getting easier and easier. So I don't think that's going to be a problem. Korean passport here, foreign right there. So they just checked my temperature in that station right there, and on top of that, they did scan my QR code just to make sure everything is legit. That involves giving them your address and everything, letting them know if you're vaccinated or not, stuff like that. So South Korea does not stamp your passport. They give you a stamp officially. So that's what I got right there. All right, so now I need to find out where my luggage is. All of this. Oh yeah, that's fine. Suitcase. Let me double check. Yep, it's all me. I was worried because I barely had 30 minutes transition. So now I have to go to customs, get some money. Where I'm staying, I actually requested a ride because I didn't want to deal with trains. I'm a little bit lazy. They told me about 80,000 won, which is about $60. I'm at Incheon International Airport. So I'm supposed to have a ride from the person that the hotel I'm staying at send my way. And somebody's supposed to have my name over here. Well, let me see. So a couple of things. I need my name and I need an ATM. So that's my name right there. All right. Hello, that's me. You? Yeah, that's me.
Okay.
All right. Huh?
No.
No, just one.
How many?
Just one person. It's just me.
One?
Just me, yeah, just one. Okay. So he was expecting 2 people, and it's just one. So now I need to get the cash. I don't know why they were expecting 2 people, but it's just me.
원래 2명 아니에요?
right there.
한 명이라고 그랬는데?
Oh, ATM right there. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get
Yeah, 한 명이랬는데. One?
just one, just me, just me, nobody else.
한 명이래요.
I'm still not able to use the ATM. I don't know what's going on. So he still doesn't believe it's me. I already told him it's me like 5 times. He still doesn't believe me.